Indeed.
Hey, how you doing? It's Jared Abrams with Cinema 5D, and I got a brand new 4x4 fader ND from Lightcraft Workshop. It's a fader system. It comes with an A filter and a B filter, and when you put them together and dial them down, you get a fader ND. So check it out. We're going to throw it in this Cozio matte box right now. So there's the A filter. Here's the B filter. And as you can see, as I rack down, I can dial it all the way down to dark. Gives you about 4 stops of compensation, neutral density, and the filter costs around $400 for the set. Check it out.